A function. What is a function? A function, a relation is a function if each input is paired with exactly one input. That's to say, given an independent variable x and a dependent variable y, so we said f is a function that mapped x to y if and only if every input in x will produce exactly one output in y. If one input in x produces two outputs, then it is not a function. Now let's take some examples. Show if the relation is a function. Take note the definition I just made, that a relation is a function if each input is paired with exactly one input. Each input is what? Paired with exactly one output. We have 2 and 4, minus 3 and 6, 2 and 8. And the second one, minus 2, 6, 0, 10, 1, 12, 3, 16. Solution for the first one. This is the first one. Let's check. You have inputs. All these, they are the inputs. Then these are the outputs. Now we have this one input produce 4. That means 2 produce 4. Minus 3 produce 6. Then 2 produce 8. So we have 2 and 2. That means 2 produced 2 values, which is 4 and 8. So since 2 produced more than one output, then the relation, that means this relation is not a function. Go to the next one. Check. Minus 2 produce 6, 0 produce 10, 1 produce 2, 3 produce 16. 1 produce 12. Watch again. Minus 2, 0, 1, 3. There is no repetition unlike this. Is there repetition here? No. So you say each input produces exactly one output. Hence, the relation is a function. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Want to learn how to use tables of values to bring out relation. Want to use tables of values to learn what a function is. We also use equations. So subscribe to learn them.